Super shout out, super friends. Come on, more like. Sito. Jimmy? Oh, look at this girl. Or these girls. Oh, it's like a labyrinth. I don't know what you mean by that. Hello, girls. Oh, what is this? Oh, it's not real. I don't know what's real. Oh, we have 207. Super friends. Thank you so much for spending your Saturday night. Don't go in for another. Your Saturday night or Sunday morning with me. It is 25 degrees Celsius. Say hello to my friend.
Hello, hello. Welcome to New York City.
You live here or visiting?
I visited here.
Okay.
I stayed for a couple of days.
Really? I was in Chinatown this morning for the
This morning, how was
Chinese New Year. Very fun, very entertaining. We have Marga and Matt. Where are we from?
I'm from Vermont.
Vermont. And you?
From Laguna.
Oh, Laguna. Magjowa?
Yes.
Oh, what is Jowa?
Hey, no, we don't have him.
What is Matt? What is Jowa?
She my Joa.
Oh, damn. Super first doesn't know what Jowa is. What is Jowa?
She's my girl.
Oh, there. Jowa is a girl daw. Ayun. Spell Jowa.
Jowa.
Ay, ang galing! Ah, you live in New York! Taga New York! Where in New York?
Queens.
Oh, so long distance Jowa? Ay, long
Yeah.
distance.
She usually
LDR.
comes to Vermont.
Yeah.
And what are we doing?
How you doing? I'm trying to stay warm.
I need to find my hole. What do you say?
Keep me warm.
Very smart.
Yes.
Aren't they called manhole?
That what?
What are they called?
That's what it's called.
Manhole.
Yeah.
I need to find one. But that's in the middle. I don't like. Can we switch? We'll switch. Yeah, it has a name, I'm sure.
Oli.
Olive, where are you from?
I'm from Madrid. How many?
Germany.
No, Madrid.
Oh, Madrid. Hola, hola. ¿Qué tal? Olive. From Madrid. ¿Dónde vive?
En Madrid.
Oh, Madrid.
Ahora sí en Nueva York.
No.
Nueva York es mejor.
Mejor. Oh. Hello.
¡Claro que no!
Hello. ¿Cómo se
Hola.
llama? ¿Cómo se llama?
Elena.
Elena, Madrid, dice. Oja. Ay.
¡Ay, madrileño!
Oh, show me. Girl, what are you wearing? Let me see. Wow, I knew it. ¿Cómo se llama, girl?
Puerto Rican princess.
That's what we need in this weather. What is your name, girl?
Puerto Rican princess.
A Puerto Rican princess. Is on Instagram?
Abrielle Alasia.
There you are.
Stay warm, guys.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I feel warm already. 2, 1. You're not wearing underpants? I was going to pick them up, but okay, maybe no.
Soon as I feel like my time get wasted, it's time to go. They say they don't fuck with me, but I say they can't fuck with me. Just like the girl everywhere. I ain't say it's all me. Them bitches should've stayed.
These girls are pretty.
Me la voy a llevar toda por VIP, VIP, ey, seis chis, ey, que sonrían las que les metí en VIP, VIP,
But when they pull up, when they pull up,
Love you, bro. Philippines, right?
What is your Instagram?
Spike one, baby.
No!
Spike
Instagram,
one.
JCM.
Yeah, JCM978.
Spike one.
Yep, Spike
Ah,
one.
the nose.
The rhino.
There's nose.
I'm the first person in the world with 3 rhino piercings.
Where?
Rhino.
Where are
three,
the, what are those? Where?
the
are
rhino in the nose, the front. The rhino. I got 3
they?
though.
They're new, right?
I did them myself.
niggas ain't drop nothing.